Right, what we're on to now is the last lecture in Module 1, but what I thought I would do there is give you a short lesson on how to pass this course. Okay, so first of all, 1, keep going. If you just sort of don't do anything, you're going to run out of time really fast. Can we have quiet, please? Quiet. Okay, another idea is to set a time each day. So in your timetable, you'll notice that there are only 2 hours of lectures and 1 hour of tutorials for this course. And for most courses of this many points, which is 11, I think, or 18 points, you would have more lecture hours than this. So we're expecting you to spend that time doing the work on your own. So I would suggest that you schedule at least 1 hour a day going to one of the labs and working on the non-proctored quizzes or your assignments or something else. There's plenty to work on, preferably those two. So set a time each day and go to the lab and work on it. And now number 3 helps with number 2, and that is get a friend who is doing the course. We found last year that the students who learnt the most, who were the most successful in terms of getting through the material, were the ones who worked in little groups. So get a mate who's doing the course as well, or if you don't know anyone, at your next tutorial, make a friend. We'll help you. We'll find you one if you like. And find a time where you can both go to the labs together and work on these together. We absolutely don't care how much you work together in anything except for the assignments and the proctored quiz. Now when I say you can work together on the assignment, you can talk to each other, but do not submit the same assignment because we can tell and you will be in serious trouble. So make sure you do your own assignments. Make sure when you're working on your non-proctored quizzes you can discuss and help as much as you like, and then when you go to the proctored quiz, that's when you're on your own. So get a friend, work together. Okay, now to do with keep going is you should be at the moment passing 1 module per week. By now you should, at the end of this week, if you haven't finished module 0, you're running really late. Okay, so you need to get module 0 finished this week, which means if you have not submitted the module 0 assignment, you need to do it today. So this is your job for today, is send in the module 0 assignment. Toivan may be able to mark it by tomorrow, but probably not, in which case you'll be able to maybe sit the test on Monday. So you need to book in for a test. Remember, you only have 2 weeks more, just before Easter, when module 1 has to be completed. To complete module 1, you have to do 2 assignments, module 0 and module 1, 2 non-proctored quizzes, module 0 and not module 1, and 2 proctored quizzes. So that is a lot to do between now and Easter if you haven't done it, and that is a deadline. So you need to get going now. Number 4, go to tutorials. Okay, now most of you will have been, or you should have all been to one by now, and there's nothing organised there in terms of what you have to do, but that is where you work on your non-proctored quizzes, and there are tutors there to help you. If the tutors get too busy, they will call me and I will come over and help as well, and so on. We will provide whatever help you need in those tutorial times. Go first of all to the one you're booked into, but if you want to go to another one as well, that is just fine, but the people who are booked in get priority. We haven't had any full tutorials yet. There's always space there, so if you're having trouble with the work, just go to one of the tutorials, and the times are on Blackboard. Okay, and so you can go to more than one if you like. The most important thing is not to go, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do, and do nothing, because you will fail. And you'll fail much sooner in this course than you will in other courses, because you'll find out in about 3 weeks' time you're so far behind that you can't catch up. Whereas other courses, you have to wait till you get your results to realise that you did that some months before. So it's a bit brutal, but you find out really soon. Okay, any questions about that? I'm happy to say lots of people are through module 0. It's been very exciting watching you all turn up and do your little quizzes and pass them and go away with big smiles on your faces. So that's cool.